Good morning, guys. My name is Mauricio Chase, and I'm a Sergeant of Police within the Forensic Scenes of Crime Unit of the Barbados Police Service. And today, I want to give you a brief introduction into how forensic science and technology supports the operations of the police service in solving crime. So here we are at the crime scene. Everything starts here. First up, we have the officer from the Tactical Response Unit, whose role is to contain and cordon the crime scene to prevent contamination from the public and our own officers. Additionally, they also provide security for our officers as they go about hosting the scene. Next up, we have the guys in the protective suits. These guys are part of the forensic field staff of the police service. This team usually consists of scenes of crime officers and crime scene technicians, and their job is to identify, document, and collect all items of evidence for forensic analysis. Thanks for joining us at the lab. Now this is where all the science, technology, and magic happens. Now from this point, we're going to go through just a few of the processes that we use to further harness evidence from the items collected from the scene. With the assistance of Constable Spencer, the first technique we will discuss is cyanoacrylic fuming. This is the cyanoacrylic fuming chamber. Some persons may ask, what is this cyanoacrylic? Cyanoacrylic fuming simply refers to superglue fuming. This technique is highly effective on smooth, non-porous surfaces for developing finger marks. The process consists of several steps. Step 1. The item where finger mark evidence is likely to be developed is placed in the chamber. Step 2. The chamber is sealed and the environment is humidified to ensure optimum development prior to the generation of the superglue vapors. Step 3. The superglue is heated, which results in the production of the mentioned vapors. The vapors then adhere to any finger mark residues left on the surface by the culprit. Step 4. The item is removed and inspected, and any developed finger mark impressions are documented. However, if additional development is required, fingerprint powders are used to enhance the impressions.
Good evening, my name is Kyle Hines. I am a police constable. I'm also a fingerprint examiner with the Barbados Police Service. Today we are going to look at the process of submissions of fingerprints after they have been submitted from crime scenes. The technology we're going to employ today is the Automated Fingerprint Identification System, which is commonly known as the AFIS. It is a biometric identification methodology which uses digital imaging to store, obtain, and analyze fingerprint data. So we start by placing developed print under the scanner of the AFIS and importing it to the computer system. Once imported, we will make the needed adjustments such as lighting to ensure that we can clearly see all the necessary details in the fingerprint. Once the import and edit processes are completed, it is time to submit the print to the database to be searched against any potential candidates. This search can be almost instantaneous and has a very high success rate. The system will then show the possible candidates, allowing for the examiner to make the needed identification.
So, we have completed two processes along the finger mark development and identification routes, and now it is time to turn our attention to Station Sergeant Griffith and Constable Taylor, who will demonstrate the use of Blue Star for the detection and identification of blood.
Hello, my name is Wayne Griffith, Station Sergeant of Police number 958. I'm a Scenes of Crime officer at the Forensic Scenes of Crime Department. And here this afternoon I have with me Constable 1526 Taylor. Today we will show you a brief demonstration of how we detect blood at crime scenes or on exhibits using Blue Star reagent. Step 1. Place the suspected blood-stained item on the table. Step 2. Apply Blue Star in a sweeping motion to the item. Step 3. Document using photograph and taking notes.
Well, we've come to the end of our journey. I sincerely hope that you have a greater appreciation for how forensic science and technology assist the police service in achieving its law enforcement mandate. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, it is goodbye from our family at the Forensic Scenes of Crime Unit.